Imagine if I told you there's a food so addictive that almost every country on earth has tried to copy it. Pizza, pasta, cheese, tomato sauce. But the real secret isn't the ingredients. It's something hidden deep inside your brain. Italian food looks incredibly simple. Flour, tomatoes, olive oil, cheese. Yet together, these ordinary ingredients create flavors that millions of people crave every single day. But this story didn't begin with pizza. More than 2,000 years ago, ancient Romans relied on simple bread, olives, cheese, and wine to fuel one of history's greatest civilizations. Then something changed forever. Tomatoes arrived from the Americas during the 1500s. At first, Europeans believed they were poisonous. Today, they're the heart of Italian cuisine. But the biggest secret isn't the tomato, it's something your brain absolutely loves: umami. Parmesan, tomatoes, mushrooms, and slow-cooked meats are packed with natural glutamates. These activate special taste receptors that make every bite feel richer and more satisfying. That's why Italian chefs don't overload their dishes with spices. Instead, they let every ingredient speak for itself. Even olive oil plays a role. Its healthy fats carry flavor across your tongue, making every bite taste even better. But flavor is only part of the story. Your brain also pays attention to texture: crispy crust, creamy cheese, silky pasta. Every bite feels completely different from the last. Scientists call this sensory contrast. Different textures, temperatures, and aromas keep your brain engaged, making every bite feel exciting instead of repetitive. Italian cooking isn't about adding more ingredients. It's about choosing better ones. Every tomato, every basil leaf, every drop of olive oil has a purpose. For generations, Italian recipes have been passed from grandparents to grandchildren, each family adding tiny improvements, but never losing the tradition. Even the land plays a role. Italy's warm climate, fertile soil, and Mediterranean weather produce some of the freshest ingredients in the world. It's no surprise that the Mediterranean diet, built around many Italian ingredients, is often linked with heart health and a longer, healthier life. But Italian food isn't just about eating, it's about slowing down. Sharing meals with family, talking for hours, turning food into an experience instead of simply filling your stomach. Today, Italian food is loved in almost every country on earth. From New York to Tokyo, from London to Sydney, its recipes have crossed oceans, cultures, and generations. What makes Italian food truly special isn't just the flavor, it's the memory attached to it. A family dinner, a celebration, a Sunday afternoon. Food becomes part of people's lives. The science is surprisingly simple. Umami makes it satisfying. Texture keeps it interesting. Aroma makes it memorable. And fresh ingredients make every bite feel alive. Unlike many modern foods designed by factories, Italian cuisine was shaped by farmers, fishermen, grandmothers, and chefs who believed that simple food could still be extraordinary. So the next time you reach for another slice of pizza, remember, you're not just eating flour, tomatoes, and cheese. You're tasting thousands of years of history, centuries of tradition, and a recipe that has been quietly perfected generation after generation. Maybe the real secret of Italian food was never the pizza itself. It was the perfect combination of science, tradition, and human connection hidden in every single bite.